Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi, everybody. We need to find the formula for the number of daughter nuclei. So we can assume that T is going to be 0 here, and your daughter nuclei is going to be at 0, is going to be at T equals 0. Okay, so here we can do your initial nuclei for delta T equals lambda of your initial minus your daughter nuclei. Okay, and now we just need to get this over here so we can solve, and we need to get this over here. And to do that, we have 1 initial minus the daughter nuclei over the derivative of here. So we're going to take the integral from the delta D, and let me just put the delta D here, delta D to 0. Okay, and this is going to equal lambda to D2, and this is going to be from T to 0. Okay, and now we're going to take the integral of this and this. So this is just going to be lambda T. And this integral is actually ln and O minus the daughter nuclei. And we have the daughter 0. Okay. And here we can just, there's a little minus sign here, do plus, and that's plus because negative plus negative, negative times a negative, and it's going to be this equals delta T. Okay. And here we have, we're going to switcheroo it, so it's going to be easier on us. Initial minus initial. Okay. And now we want to get rid of this ln, so we're just going to do E on each side. Oops. Okay. And I'm also going to switch this over here just to make things easier. So we have initial minus daughter nuclei, initial nuclei, equals E lambda over T. And now we're just going to get this over here. And when we do that, we have initial daughter equals initial times here, lambda times T. I'm going to keep going down. And we're going to go with the daughter minus, and we have this initial here times this minus initial, and we can also take this out, the initial out, but we're going to times this right here over here. So we have the daughter equals 1 minus lambda T times the initial. Okay. And So this is your answer. And it's just a basic integral that you're looking at. And so thank you guys so much.